Hello and welcome to DaveTech. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download the Seekee application on your Android TV, TV box, or Google TV. This method will work with any device running an Android operating system, and if you find insight in this video, if it is helpful to you, like, subscribe, and share to anybody who needs it. Now, I want you to head over to your browser. Any browser will work fine. In my case, I'm using the Google browser. Click on it to get in and search the application you're trying to download. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download the Seekee application. So I want you to type in Seekee, Seekee, and search. After searching, you'll find a lot of sites from which to download. I want you to click on the first link that has play.google.com. Get in here and you'll find an install button. Now, if this is your first time, Google will ask you to log into your Google account. After logging in, you could easily install this application, and you have to be patient for a couple of seconds. Depending on internet speed, it takes a couple of seconds to a minute. Be patient for it to download, and after completion, you'll find this application in your app library. Enjoy the application, give me feedback, and I'll see you in the next video.